Hi, hello students, very good evening and welcome back to our Unacademy JEE English. Myself Raju and you are watching me on live sprint guys. Okay, so today on live sprint what we are going to discuss is hydrogen and its compounds. By just looking at this name, so we should get energy because it's a very easy chapter and it is scoring. So mostly mains level questions we are going to do, but some questions are going to be tricky questions. Okay, see, the theory is very simple. Hydrogen we study, hydrogen properties, hydrogen acting as reducing agent, different reactions, water properties, D2O properties, H2O2 properties. So all the previous questions, one question we can compulsory expect in mains on these concepts. Okay guys, are you ready? Let's begin the session. Okay, so let me introduce myself, Raju, and I passed out from IIT Bombay. I have 7+ years experience and I mentored 1 lakh plus students. And see here, if you want any inorganic lecture, organic, physical, now you can get it on a single click like a digital notebook. Okay, so type this tinyurl.com/JEE mobile. So you will get a digital notebook. So chemistry, physics, maths tabs are there for 11th class and 12th class. So where in one click you will get access to video of that lecture and one click you will get access to notes of that lecture. Okay, and here Unacademy subscription, highly affordable, highly affordable. Almost you can see here the price, 12 months and 24 months, 1500 per month. So that is just 50 rupees per day. So now test series are going on, rank booster courses are going on. You will get benefit if you subscribe now only. So some students are asking ki when is the best time? So just now is best time, right now is best time. Okay guys, so use my code Raju10 for 10% discount. Okay, let us begin the session. Hydrogen and its compounds. The first question, see this, it is based on reactions. Inorganic substance liberates oxygen and heating, that is fine, right? And it is reacting with Ki and reduces acidified KMnO4 solution. What is that substance? It's a very easy to find. Okay, so try this question. Just try this question. It's a very easy. Yes, who are all online, guys, share it, like it, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. It has to reach many students because this channel was started from the demand from you people. You are the ambassadors. Okay guys, so spread this, like this, and share this in different groups. Okay, I'm starting the timer now, but you don't require 1 minute for this, just 30 seconds also you can solve guys. So Kumar, see, we are starting a batch, okay, maths, physics, chemistry for advance. Okay, so chemistry, me and Nishant sir and Sumit sir. So that batch will be useful for advanced in English only. Okay, understood? Kumar. So what is the answer? Hi, Muhammad, Ritesh, Kumar, Shivendra, Vibhu, Satya. Okay guys, ready? So what is the correct answer for this? Can I have the answers now? Can I have the answers? Come on guys, don't forget to share this link in different groups. So I'm getting answers B, D, Hello Priyanka. Yes. So is it B or D? Inorganic substance which gives oxygen and heating. So this, and also H2O2 gives H2O plus O2. Fine. Now it reacts with Ki and turns brown color solution. So it gives I2 plus H2O. Okay, and reduces potassium permanganate also. Definitely it is KMnO4 is strong oxidizing agent. In acidic medium it changes to Mn plus 2. Right? B is correct answer. Got it? Right. We'll move on to the next question. See this question. It's a numerical and very, very important concept in H2O2, and one and only concept if you learn. So whatever the numerical comes, it comes from this topic, volume strength of H2O2. Everybody should know this. What is the formula if molarity is given or normality is given, right? Let us start with this timer. So started the timer, guys. Yes, it's a very simple, very simple. If you know one simple formula, so the numerical comes from this concept only. Come on, share this link in different groups. Don't forget that. Okay. So what is the answer for this? I'm getting answers D. See, everyone should post your answer. Post your answer in comment. I'll discuss. Don't worry about that, Satya. I'll discuss which one is correct answer first. Answer should come from you guys. What is the correct answer? Right? So answer I'm getting B and D. Let's see. Okay. So normality and molarity is given. What is volume strength? See carefully what I'm doing here. The relation, the simple trick. Okay. So normality is equal to molarity and normality relation. This so everyone knows, right? Valency factor into molarity, and here the volume strength they are asking, right? Volume strength is equal to in terms of normality, so it is normality into 5.6. Got it right? In terms of molarity, it is molarity equal to 11.2. Molarity into 11.2. So these two formulas, if you remember, so one numerical you can answer in mains and NEET also. It's a very good question and very simple, right? So volume strength directly comes normality into 5.6 or molarity into 11.2. So what is given normality? 10 into 5.6. So 56. Got it right? Right. Understood everyone? We'll move on to the next question now. See this question. Now this is not a regular question. What is a regular question in hydrogen concept? Generally, hydrogen act as reducing agent. That is so common, everyone knows, right? Now see this question. Which of the following reaction does hydrogen acting as oxidizing agent? So whenever there is simple question comes, try to read the question 2 times. What they are asking, oxidizing or reducing. Okay, right? So what is the correct answer? Let us start timer. I started the timer, right? Okay. So sometimes what happens in very simple questions, silly mistake we do. So that you should not do that. Okay. So what to do? Just read the question 2 times. Then you will understand. Okay. Oxidizing agent or reducing agent, what is it? Question seems to be very simple. But in simple questions only, we have to score maximum marks. Hydrogen compounds is very simple chapter and scoring chapter. Right? What is answer? C, I am getting answer. A also I am getting answer. What is the correct answer? Okay, see here, H2 plus F2, HF. So, oxidizing or reducing? So, plus 1, there is no, see, 0, 2, minus 1. Right. Next, Si plus HCl. Where hydrogen oxidation number is decreasing, only that part we have to check. See, NaH. Here hydrogen oxidation number, if you see, it is 0, 0, 2, minus 1. If it is decreasing, oxidation number is decreasing, then it can act as oxidizing agent. Got it? In other cases, see here 0, 2, plus 1, 0, 2, plus 1. And here, what is the product? Copper plus H2O. So, oxidation number is 0, 2, plus 1. So, only in this case, it is decreased. Got it, right? Yes, C, Pakka. Very good. Right. Let us move on to the next question. This one. This is the test used to identify H2O2. This is one of the very good question and it is used for practical purpose also. H2O2 identification test. Okay, right? So let us start the timer. I started the timer. So there are very good questions ahead. Stay with us. Don't miss the complete session. So very good questions are ahead. Right? So it is used to test H2O2. This is the best test to find out or identification of hydrogen peroxide. Munna, it is a regular schedule on this JEE English channel every day 4 to 5. Every day 4 to 5. Okay? Every day 4 to 5. JEE English channel, we are online. Okay, right. So what is the answer? Can I get more answers now? So I am getting answer B. More and more students should involve. Okay, right. Blue color solution. What is B option here? Blue color solution is obtained in ether due to formation of CrO5. Right? Yes, that is correct answer. That is correct answer. See here, H2O2 is added. H2O2 is added plus acidified potassium dichromate. Okay, I am just writing ionic equation CrO5 plus H2O. So this CrO5, chromium peroxide, correct? See this chromium peroxide, if we use ether, why are we using ether? Any idea? Why are we using ether? See, why are we using ether? Anybody knows? Why are we using ether? In ether, CrO5 is stable. If you don't use ether, if you use aqueous solution, CrO5 immediately it will decompose. Because whatever peroxide bonds, they are weak in that chromium peroxide. See what is the structure here? Chromium peroxide. See, this is chromium peroxide. Peroxide bonds are very weak. So that's why we are using ether. So we get clear blue color solution. Identification test for H2O2. Okay. Let's move on to the next question. Right. So this question also, so general questions, the previous questions also, they are targeting H2O2 reactions. In which reaction it is oxidizing agent, in which reactions it is reducing agent. Okay, so they are very common questions. Now see this question is different. Hydrogen peroxide neither acting as oxidizing nor it is reducing agent. Okay, let us see this. Answer this with timer. See, inorganic in mains exam, inorganic should be your strength. If you can solve inorganic questions, how many inorganic questions are there? 8 questions mostly we can expect in mains. But if you know the answer, if you studied, if you have gone through those concepts, how much time it takes? 8 questions from inorganic mains level. How much time it takes? You can save lot of time. Okay, so within 10 minutes you can solve, or less than 10 minutes you will get 32 marks if you are very good at inorganic chemistry. It is not possible with physics or maths or any other parts of chemistry. Okay, right. So what is the answer for this? Can I have the answers now in comment box? What is the answer? Where it is not acting as oxidizing, not acting as reducing. I'm getting answers C and D also. Come on guys, more students should involve now. Yes, C, Abhay, C, Kumar, C, Satya, D. Okay, let's see. Okay, see, lead oxidation number can be changed. Sulfide becomes sulfate. See, PbSO4. Okay, so Pb plus 4 here, Pb plus 2 also we get. SO4 minus 2 we get. Oxidation numbers are changing, but here carbon already plus 4. Right, so Na2O2 plus CO2 plus H2O. Peroxide. See here, minus 1. Oxygen oxidation number is not changing. It is also minus 1. Carbon plus 4. Plus 4. It is also not changing. Right. So this reaction, it is not acting as oxidizing. It is not acting as reducing agent also. Okay, answer is, what is the answer? Answer is D, right? Yes, so we'll move on to the next question. See this question. So it covers the main important reactions of hydrogen. Hydrogen preparation it covers, and hydrogen reaction also, the most important reaction. You said D, very good. Right, most students are participating, it's a very good sign. Right, this question will solve with timer. You see which one is correct, which option is correct. Which option is correct in this? First read the question. A reacts with water. Okay, see, I am writing A reacts with water. A reacts with water. It produces a combustible gas B. A gas B is formed and a solution of substance C in water. D reacts with solution of C. D is reacting with C. Solution of D reacts with solution of C and produces the same gas. B on warming. Means C again reacting with D and forms B only. D can also produce B on reaction with dilute H2SO4. D can produce B on reaction with dilute H2SO4. Okay. And what hint is given here? A imparts deep golden yellow color to smokeless flame. So A flame test golden yellow. Yes. Now this is the hint. This is a very good hint. It's a very good hint. A we can easily identify. What is A? What is A? Come on students, what is A? What is A compound? A is answer, fine, but what is A compound? What is A compound? Right. It is sodium. It is sodium, right? Sodium. Reaction with water. Right. So it produces hydrogen gas. It produces NaOH. Yes or no? Yes. Very good. Now NaOH react with zinc metal. Zn is amphoteric. It reacts with acids and also bases. So Zn react with H2SO4 gives hydrogen. Okay. So answer is A. Getting it right? Yes, yes. Sodium is golden yellow. Flame test. That is a very big hint. If you know that, sodium reaction with water, hydrogen preparation. Hydrogen produced by NaOH and Zn also, or Zn plus dilute H2SO4 also. Got it right? Right. So next question. Here we covered hydrogen reactions, where it is produced with acid, with base. Right. Next question. So this is a good question, because some metals, they cannot form hydrides. It is directly NCERT statement. So NCERT statement it is. So if you have read NCERT, you can easily answer which of the hydride is formed, which is possible. Okay. Yes, yes. So which of the following hydride is formed? Means a direct NCERT statement, but this is a very important question, mains level question. Okay. So I'm getting answers C and B also. B manganese, C palladium, molybdenum, iron. So what is the correct answer? So direct question. Very good. So answer is C. 7th group, 8th group, 9th group. 7th group, 8th group, 9th group, they don't form hydrides. This is direct NCERT statement. It's a very useful for NEET and also mains. Okay, got it right? So answer is C. It is, the question is which is formed. Right? So let us move on to the next question. This question. Now, lattice energies, because metallic hydrides, okay, salt like hydrides, covalent hydrides, hydrogen compounds are there. Now we are comparing which is the correct lattice energy. Okay. So what is the correct lattice energy, guys? What is the correct lattice energy order? It's an easy question. Correct lattice energy order, but these type of questions generally confuses the student. Correct? Yes or no? Concept is simple. Concept is very simple, right? So I am getting answers C, D, C also. C, D. So which one is correct? So what factors we have to consider for lattice energy? What factors we have to consider? The first thing, size and also charge. More charge, more lattice energy. If size is less, more lattice energy. Yes or no? Correct? Now, which one is correct? Which one is matching with that? Lithium, it is wrong. Correct? See the next statement, magnesium, calcium, strontium. Magnesium, calcium, strontium. Magnesium, calcium, strontium. Less size, more charge. Size should be less, charge should be more. Yes or no? Correct? Size and charge, yes, very good. Size should be less, lattice energy is more. Our charge should be more. +2 charge, calcium +2, Sr +2. Magnesium +2 is smaller, lattice energy is more, right? So move on to the next question. This question. This links hydrogen bond, means hydrogen bond concept comes in organic chemistry and also inorganic chemistry. So we are linking inorganic and organic here. Yes, inorganic and organic link here. Yes, so what is the correct statement? Read the statements. It's a very good question. It's a very, very good question. So what are your answers for this? See, participate in the poll. It is very good practice for the whole chapter, hydrogen and its compounds. Don't miss the session. So malic acid and fumaric acid. Malic acid, see here. This is malic acid structure. This is malic acid. Fumaric means trans. Yes or no? This is fumaric acid. This is fumaric acid. So what are the correct answers? So I'm getting answer B and D. So what is the correct answer? See here. See this acids, malic and fumaric. So K1, first dissociation, correct? First dissociation, remove one H plus, H, C, CO, O minus. So double bond CH, COOH. Correct? Now this K1 is H, C, COO minus. So double bond CH, COOH. So where is the hydrogen bond? Hydrogen bonding is present in here also. Hydrogen bonding, HF, H attached to oxygen. This is H plus. It is attracted to O minus. Yes, malic acid, hydrogen bonding is present. Next, I removed H plus. It attracts H plus. Hydrogen bonding is present. So because of hydrogen bonding, it is more stable. Yes or no? So K1 value and K2 value, if we compare K1 values. First we will compare K1 value of malic acid, K1 value of fumaric acid. So K1M malic acid is greater than K1 fumaric acid. Yes, malic acid K1 is more than fumaric acid because here there is no hydrogen bond. Here this side we have to write, right? The other side, COOH, COOH, H. This is fumaric acid. Now look at the K1, K1 values, malic and fumaric. Here hydrogen bonding is present, but here groups are very far, 180 degree, right? So no hydrogen bonding, less stable. So if products are more stable, more forward direction, so K1 is more than K1 of fumaric acid. So what we can write, pK1 values less than pK1 of fumaric acid. So the correct statement you see here, pK1 is greater than, that is wrong statement, and both malic acid and its first conjugate base have intramolecular hydrogen bond. Yes, so B is correct. So this is linking. Hydrogen bond is very important concept in organic chemistry, and from hydrogen and its compounds chapter itself, it should be very clear which molecules we are applying hydrogen bond. Okay, so acidity, basicity, this is very good question. Understood, right? So answer is B, not D. Yes. Let us move on to the next question. Now this is multiple correct. Multiple correct. So we'll start the timer. So how many statements are correct over here? Because hydrogen binary compounds, hydrides are very important. Theory questions we can expect. Statements questions we can expect. Okay. Yes. D is not correct in the last question. Ka2 of fumaric acid is less than that of malic acid. B and D. Ka1 is more. No, that is not correct. Okay, it's not correct. Ka2 of fumaric acid, it should be more than that of malic acid. Okay, K1 for malic acid is more, K2 for fumaric acid is more. They're reverse. Fumaric acid has no hydrogen bonding. Shaker, fumaric acid has no hydrogen bonding. I have not discussed any hydrogen bond here. This is fumaric, but malic acid has hydrogen bond. Okay, right? See this. What are the statements are correct now? What statements are correct? Multiple correct. How many statements are correct here? Density of metallic hydrides is less than that of parent metal. Is it correct or not? Yes, it is correct. Because what is happening? You see the next statement. Next statement you will understand. The crystal lattice expands through the inclusion of hydride. If hydrogen is placed, what is happening? Volume is increased. For the same mass, density is decreased. Solid piece of metal turns into powdered hydride. These are factual statements. So A, B, C are correct. See, question looks very simple, but when multiple correct is given, every one of you will get confused. Correct? See, easy chapter also, they can ask questions like this, statement based questions. So if you are thorough with NCERT, then only you can answer these questions. NCERT statements direct. This question, we'll start the timer. Orthohydrogen, parahydrogen. Orthohydrogen, O means there, O hydrogen means ortho, P hydrogen, parahydrogen. So what about parahydrogen percentage or orthohydrogen percentage with increase or decrease in temperature? It is given here equilibrium and it is exothermic reaction. Ortho to para. Ortho to para is exothermic reaction. See, Anand, it is direct a statement fact. Which option? Pooja? Last question. See, when you last question, B option is correct only. This question. See, what is happening here? When hydrogen is placed between the metals, there is some volume, very little volume increases. It expands to accommodate more hydrogen. A solid piece of metal, that is just a factual statement. Okay, Anand, that is just a factual statement. Right. So what is the answer for this? Can I get the answers now for this question? The percentage of para-hydrogen. It's a very easy. That means if you simply apply equilibrium chapter concept, it is exothermic reaction, ortho to para. So which is correct statement? Can I get the answers now? Okay, so what are your answers for this question? Faster, faster. Speed up. I gave you hint also. It is equilibrium concept, exothermic reaction. So if you increase or decrease temperature, what will happen to exothermic reaction? Understood, right? What will happen if you increase temperature or decrease temperature? See here, the correct statement, it is exothermic if you low temperature favors forward direction. Low temperature favors forward. So if you decrease the temperature, para-hydrogen will increase. That's it. Okay. So forward reaction favors. Low temperature, forward reaction favors. Because it is exothermic reaction. Got it? Right. So move on to the next question now. See this question. This question is very good question because ice structure we should know. In ice, one oxygen is surrounded by how many hydrogens? And what kind of bonding is present between those 4 hydrogens? It's a very good question. Let us solve this with timer. You are mistaken, Satya, because plus is on right side. Plus some heat is released. That is on product side plus heat. It must be exothermic. If it is reactant side plus heat, that is endothermic. Product side plus heat means energy is released. Understood? Yes, the concepts are simple, but the options are difficult. That's it, right? Yes. So what is the correct answer? What is the correct answer for this? See the question carefully, see the options. So which statement is correct? In ice, see here, ice. So what kind of bonding here? Okay, so this kind of bonding, right? H, OH. It is like this. In ice, every oxygen is surrounded by 4 hydrogens. This is the basic structure. Now here, in ice, the hydrogen bonded hydrogen atoms are at equal distance from the other 2 covalent bonded hydrogen atoms around each atom due to resonance. Is there any resonance? First statement is incorrect. No resonance here. Yes. Second, in ice the hydrogen bonded are longer distance. Definitely they are not longer distance, because see, this bonding is covalent bond. This is covalent bond. What is this bond? This bond is hydrogen bond. So hydrogen bonding is molecular attractions. Covalent bonding is strong bond between atoms. If it is strong bond, the distance is less. Weak bond, distance is more. So these two hydrogens are longer distance compared to these two hydrogens. These two hydrogens are close, these are long because of the attractions. So answer is B, longer distance, and two hydrogens are closer, which are covalently bonded. Got it? Right. Next question. See, this is very important. Water properties. Hydrogen we covered, H2O2 also we covered, and here water question. Water density, density of water, density of ice with temperature. Definitely these questions are useful for mains and also NEET. Okay, so what is the correct graph with respect to density and temperature? How density of water is changing with respect to temperature, or density of ice, how it is changing with respect to temperature, right? So let us solve this with timer. Okay, yes, Anand, is you are correct. From this chapter only statement based questions, and if you read every line in NCERT, so you will get benefit. Okay, right. But NCERT reading and understanding the concept. Okay, so some questions here are application also. You know the concept, but how to apply the concept? Like previous question in NCERT, it is mentioned just water. In ice, water is surrounded by 4 molecules. That's it. But how are the bond lengths and what kind of bonding is present? So we should clearly know. Okay, getting it right. So what is the answers? Can I get the answers now? What is the correct answer for this? So I'm getting answer C. Come on, students. More students should participate. So what is the correct answer for this? Right? So see, water has maximum density at 4 degrees Celsius. This is a fact. Correct? See here, in this it is there, this 4 degree maximum, here also maximum. But what happens after 4 degrees Celsius temperature? Density decreasing or increasing? You see here, this is the correct graph. Water density, ice density, water density increased to maximum, and then it decreased. What is happening here? If you increase more and more temperature, so volume is increasing or decreasing? Thermal energy breaking hydrogen bonding. Okay, hydrogen bonding between water molecules decreasing as you increase temperature. So that's the reason why it is decreasing. Right? I got more C's. Right? Very good. Let's move on to the next question. Last question. See, accession reasoning. Accession reasoning, because in accession reasoning, so many students, the possibility of doing wrong is more in accession reasoning. Right? So let us see this. This question, how many of you will get it correct? I'm starting the timer. See the accession part. CaCl solid can absorb HCl vapor, but NaCl cannot absorb. Absorbing HCl vapor, CaCl forms like this, Cs plus HCl2 minus through hydrogen bond. Is it correct or wrong? Yes or no? Is it correct or wrong? Which of the statements is correct? I'm getting answers A already. Samarth. More answers. No idea. Okay, see here, CaCl solid, Cs plus Cl minus. Okay, so it is mostly like hydrogen bonding only. Cl minus, when you pass HCl gas, what is happening here? This is attracted towards this. Okay, so like this, Cs plus HCl2 minus. So both statements are true, and statement 2 is correct explanation because it is absorbing. Cl minus is attracting H plus. So but NaCl it cannot do. Got it right? So that statements 1 is correct, statement 2 is correct. Right guys, okay? So I hope definitely it will helpful for your mains or NEET exam. Okay guys, right? So if you have not connected with us, you can connect with us at the rate, you can tag us at the rate Unacademy JEE official on Instagram. Okay guys, so if you like the video, share it in different groups. Okay, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Okay, so if you spread more, it will reach more students, so that more students should get benefit from this. Okay guys, and don't forget this channel, we are giving JEE coaching in English. This channel is dedicated for JEE coaching in English. Okay, chemistry is not tough, but some concepts memorization is tough. That's it. Okay, if you think now chemistry is tough, then it will not work like that. Okay, right, see here, if you have not connected, just download Telegram app and go to browser and type tinyurl.com/JEE live chat, so that you can get connected with 32,000 members plus group. So all these are IIT aspirants. So there are serious discussions are going on, so many questions they share, and you can share your query, or if you have any doubts you can post it. Okay, so we will respond and you will get daily motivation definitely, because different questions you solve, then definitely motivation comes from within you, right? So this, if you type tinyurl.com/JEE mobile, you will get a digital notebook. So physics, chemistry, maths tabs are there. So on one click you will get access to lecture video and lecture video notes also. PDF notes you will get. So if you still have doubts, you can go through video lecture also, right? So it is like a digital notebook, very useful for quick revision. Okay, and Unacademy subscription highly affordable now. What you will get from Unacademy subscription? With one subscription you can get different variety of courses, live plus classes and live doubt clearing sessions also, and more interaction with educator. And in live doubt clearing sessions or live classes, polls will be given. In that polls, so what you will get a real leaderboard, what position you are standing and what is your score with respect to topper, how much time you are taking to solve that particular question. So everything you will get to know in instantaneously. It is like instantaneous evaluation. Okay, right? See here, 60 plus educators are teaching different courses. So one subscription if you take, you can attend any course. And here doubt class is going on. You can take picture of doubt and post it. So doubt will get cleared in that class itself. How to subscribe it? So go to Play Store and download the app and install it, and go to plus, choose your goal and get subscription. So total payment options will come. You look at the payment options: 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, 24 months. You see these prices here: 12 months, 24 months, highly affordable. Just 1500 per month means 50 rupees per day. Okay. So in addition to this, you will get 10% discount if you use my code Raju10. Okay, right? And subscribe now, hit the red bell icon. After the class, you will get PDF notes. And Unacademy NEET, Unacademy JEE, Unacademy Foundation, there are different channels on YouTube giving quality educations without any cost. You are not paying for anything. Just if you have YouTube, then all are YouTube channels. So subscribe it and share this in different groups so that whoever wants, they can take it. Your younger siblings for foundation, they can take it. Your friends who are preparing for NEET, they can subscribe this channel. Okay guys, so let's crack it. We will crack it. And Unacademy subscription, use this code Raju10 for 10% discount and avail this opportunity. There are more rank boosters courses are going on and test series are going on. Don't miss this opportunity. Okay guys, so let's end the session today. So we'll meet in the next session, and this is the regular session 4 to 5 JEE English and chemistry subject. Okay guys, right? So see you, take care. We'll meet in the next session.